government has constituted committees with a member from the Department of Atomic Energy, the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, NITI Aayog and the Ministry of Law and Justice to discuss the amendments to the Atomic Energy Act and the CLNDA, that is the Civil Liability for Nuclear Damage Act, to allow the private companies to participate in the building and the commissioning of the future nuclear reactors, the Minister Jitendra Singh said in the Lok Sabha on Wednesday. However, he did not reveal when this legislation would be brought to the parliament. Also, the plans to amend these laws were also first announced in the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman's budget speech. Also, the nuclear commerce involving the India and the Western companies has not taken off despite the signing of the Indo-United States nuclear deal in 2007. Thus far, the Western international nuclear power companies have said that the causes in the CLNDA are unacceptable, mandate a high degree of liability for the supplier on the nuclear power components, and the contradict of the International Convention for the Supplementary Compensation for the Nuclear Damage, that is CSC, that focuses that the immediate liability of the operators are on themselves. Also, the clauses are inserted in 2012 following the heated debates in the parliament where the members of the National Democratic Alliance, that is NDA, then in the opposition, had accused the government of letting Western companies off from the liability responsibilities. They cited that the Union Carbide gas leak in the Bhopal that killed thousands in 1984, also the debate that had followed the devastating nuclear leak in the Fukushima following a tsunami off the Japan's coast. The committee also have to look in the aspect of the waste management, fuel sourcing and handling, the decommissioning, implementation of the security and safeguard, the activities related to the amendment of the acts involving various stages of interministerial consultations as well as the scientific solutions. These activities may require time, and in view of these it is not feasible to give a timeline, said the Union Minister of State for Science and Technology in his written response. Also, the nuclear energy mission announced in the budget 2025 envisages the deploying of the 100 gigawatt of the nuclear energy by 2047. The reply claims 20,000 crore has been allocated in the budget for the deployment of 5 SMR, that is small modular reactors, by 2033. SMRs are the future reactors of India with a 55 megawatt capacity, but involves the design changes that will allow the plant to be built using a modular approach. The Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that is BARC, is also developing the BSMRs, Bharat Small Modular Reactors, which are modified version of the India's existing pressurized heavy water reactors, also each having a capacity of 200 megawatt. They will be fueled by slightly enriched uranium and are being jointly designed and developed by the Bhabha Atomic Research Center, that is BARC, and the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, that is the NPC.